Okay. Now that we learn how to use the user coordinate system to start drawing on any surface, we can use that to actually extrude something from the surface that we already have. So assume, for example, I have a box here, and I'm gonna draw another box on top of that. I want to draw the box that starts from top of that um, surface. So again, one way of doing that is I move my coordinate system to that surface. So assume I use that UCS and move my coordinate system to that top of that surface. And then I start to draw the rectangle there. For example, this is my rectangle. And after I draw that rectangle, I go ahead and click on the extrude button, select that new rectangle, press enter, and then I extend that, and then I'm gonna have that box sitting on top of that. And when I'm done with that, I click here to move my UCS to wherever it is. So if I come here and show it like that, then you can see I can draw whatever I want from top of that previously available surface. Or assume I want to draw a cylinder from this surface here. Again, this time, usually as you see, I will switch back and forth between these two. It depends on, usually you may find it's easier to draw it when it's like that, when you want to do 2D drawing. So again, I click on this on the circle. This time, instead of using my instead of moving my coordinate system, I have my as I said, the dynamic UC system is on, so I can come here, choose that plane, and then draw a circle on that plane. So it's going to be the base of my 3D drawing, and then I can come here, click on the extrude, select the object, and then extrude it to the whatever I want to do that. So again, if I go back here, you'll see that this object is gonna be there. So to start drawing from every surface, whatever you want to do is that you have to draw the base of that 3D, like what we did before, on that surface. And to draw the 2D base of that 3D object, as I said, we have two options. Either we use the UCS and move the UCS to that surface and then start drawing on that surface, or use the dynamic UCS to pick that surface automatically for us, draw whatever we want to draw on that, and then we start from that surface the same. So assume, for example, another object I want to draw on, for example, this, or assume to draw on the very back surface. So let me rotate it. Assume I want to draw something on this very for example, back surface here. So if I want to draw on that, again, I can come here this time. So let me go back to this wire view. So assume I want to draw something like that, and again, I'm going to use the dynamic UCS system on. So I click on the polyline, and as soon as I bring my mouse on that surface, you will see that surface becomes blue. It means that whatever I'm going to draw is going to be on that surface. So I draw, for example, a rectangle, the triangle here, like this, and then I click on the extrude, click on that, and then I extrude it, for example, somewhere out there, and then I will show you. So it's going to be extrude on that surface. Just one thing is that usually if you want to do a very precise drawing, it's easier to move your coordinate system to use the UCS, move the UCS to new coordinate system, to new location or to new surface, then whatever you're drawing is going to be measured from that location rather than doing the measurement respect to the original one. But again, as I said, there are two ways of doing that. Either move your coordinate system to the surface you want to draw in a way that x and y be on that surface, or use the dynamic UCS to draw a 2D on that surface. When you're done drawing the 2D on that surface, use the extrude to create the 3D object that you want.